Hi! Today we are drawing a buffalo. Get your pencils ready. We start with the big fluffy mane. Take your time, it doesn't have to be perfect. Now the horns, the nose and the eyes. Look how strong our buffalo is already. Buffalo are very strong and can run fast. Buffalo live in herds and help protect each other. Next, the big furry body. Make it nice and round and super fluffy. Now the hooves. Strong hooves for walking long distance. Let's color the buffalo any way we like. Use your favorite colors and be creative. Our buffalo is finished. Amazing job! Thanks for drawing with me. See you in the next episode. Bye!